Alrighty. Hey guys, it's your boy JohnnyMan17 here, and today, we are going to be putting it right back in the corn harvest. Off the old 2188 goes. I like this old 2188. I just love the old combine. But anyway, today, let's see here, where is it? In auger wagons, but here we are. This is not gonna be any grain cart that I've ever used. The field bin. Now this field bin could be pretty I'm just hoping it's not terribly heavy. But I think I like the red the best. Looks kind of neat. The old, yeah, just no. Well, we're gonna go with this. Not because I need it for a field, it's because when we unload the sorghum from that building over there into the wagons, which I will be getting some more wagons soon. The other 2 wagons that I'll be getting are gonna be, well, you know what? I have to get them right. You know what? Whoa! Idiot! Yeah, we are off to go get the new grain cart. I know having a field bin is not the idea of a grain cart, but the tractor that's gonna go on that will be the 2155. So yeah, that tractor will go on that wagon, on that grain cart when we start hauling. But no worries. Still making our way down to the shop. Get out of my way. God. Anyway, we're gonna be ordering, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get 2 new wagons and another tractor. Another tractor, you may ask. Would 4 be enough? Well, yeah. But we always need the other ones. So what I'm going to get is, let's see, which one are we going to get? some more money. That way I have enough going yet. You know what? Let's go with buy it. And then, oh boy, this will be the first large tractor I think that we've ever bought to the farm. Yeah, quite the gigantic boy. Yeah, quite the big boy. It is a huge boy. Very big, indeed. You don't need anything this big, really. I'm just joking with you guys. We're not really going to get that big of a tractor. I really don't got any fast, high horsepower tractors in here. Especially not old ones. The 6R would not do. I don't want to use that tractor. Well, whatever choice we got. I really hate to use the 270. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back after I make a choice. So, I've made my choice. Yeah, I'll get it off there. Just give me a second. Get off. Come on. Come on. Get out of me. Get off this. There we go. I'm a little big. Yeah, this is way too big. It's way too big of a tractor. I'm not gonna lie, that thing is huge. A little too big for my liking. This one be a bad tractor. There we go. All right. All right, you guys. Okay, so we won't be able to get the wagons home today. I'll have to do that tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but next episode. So that way. So, I guess once I get the combine unloaded, that'll be an episode. So, then episode number 8 will roll around. And that's when I'll bring wagons and stuff home. See you guys then.